Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Jeep Cherokee spark plugs step by step. Begin by ensuring the engine is cool and the vehicle is parked safely, then disconnect the battery negative terminal and remove any engine covers. Keep a clean workspace, label any connectors you remove, and lay out your tools so each step flows smoothly and you avoid misplacing small bolts or plugs. Start by removing ignition coils one at a time, keeping connectors organized to prevent cross-wiring, then use a proper spark plug socket and extension to loosen and extract each plug gently. Inspect threads, electrode wear, and deposits for engine clues. Clean the wells if needed. And torque removal should be steady to avoid breaking fragile components while keeping parts laid out in sequence for reinstallation later. Verify each new spark plug is gapped correctly and thread them in by hand to prevent cross-threading. Then use a torque wrench to tighten to the specified value for your engine. Apply a tiny amount of anti-seize only if recommended. Reattach ignition coils and connectors in their original order. Reconnect the battery, and perform a quick test. Start to listen for smooth idle and absence of misfires before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.